Good morning, kids. I hope you can hear me. As as has been informed, I'll sit there, no problem. हाँ, ठीक है. हाँ, सही है. And how will we ensure that I'm audible to them?
Yes, ma'am, audible.
Yeah, okay. So as has already been informed to you that you people are supposed to be in the school uniform and sit in an upright position on a chair. And the topic has already been intimated to you. And out of those topics, the one was selected for you people. And that was lessons COVID-19 pandemic taught me. And the important one is that you will be provided only with 2 minutes to speak. And if you exceed, of course, that you will be warned. So better try to keep your speech only up to 2 minutes of time. And once your name is spoken, then only you may start off speaking about the topic you had prepared. And if you're using your mobile, you have to keep it in the landscape mode. Better you must keep your eyes on the camera, or else it will give us a feeling that you are reading from the written matter you had kept with you. So better you keep your eyes on the camera while speaking about it, right? And keep your device as on the mute mode and unmute only when your name is announced. And of course, your camera should remain on. And throughout the program, you should be present. And in a short while, we are expecting sir to join, principal sir. Keep yourself in a ready position. I can see only two kids keeping their camera on, Dishita and Anusha. And the other kids, they have not kept it on. Please keep it on. Anshuman, Garima, Melvin, Suruchi. Good to go. Two more kids have kept their camera on. And Garima, Atharv, Suruchi. Keep your camera on, kids. Good. Atharv has kept it on. Good. Suruchi, Garima. Yeah, Pragati is also keeping it on. So now I can see I need to actually inform once again to Suruchi and Anamika, please. Keep the camera on, kids. हाँ बच्चे प्रगति ने ऑन किया था फिर ऑफ कर दिया. I don't know why. Garima has kept it on now. Suruchi, Vinisha, Anamika. हाँ गरिमा लैंडस्केप मोड में रखो बच्चे आपका कैमरा. हाँ बेटा. सुरुचि रह गई है बच्ची बस हमारी ऑन करना। पार्थ, पार्थ, सुरुचि, पार्थ, सुरुचि, अनामिका, कैमरा ऑन करो बेटा, हमें पता चलेगा अगर कोई फॉल्ट है तो वी कैन टेल यू राइट नाउ। मनाली, हाँ मनाली को भी लैंडस्केप बोलना पड़ेगा ना मैम। लैंडस्केप कर लो बच्चा मनाली। आ, हाँ वर्टिकल है, क्या लीजिए उसको हॉरिजॉन्टल कर लीजिए मनाली। हाँ अब ठीक है बेटा मनाली, सीधे रखेंगे उसको और स्ट्रेट बैठेंगे उसके सामने in such a way that your eyes are straight, directly looking towards the camera, your own camera, right? And Venisha, Parth, Suruchi, Suruchi, why you're not keeping the camera on, बच्चा? सर आ रहे हैं 1 मिनट में, एटलीस्ट एक अच्छा प्रोजेक्शन तो हम उनको दें। प्रिंसिपल सर इज अबाउट टू अराइव इन 1 मिनट, आई थिंक ही इज आउटसाइड इन द कॉरिडोर। यस कम नाउ। So a warm welcome to the heads. And we welcome Principal Sir and Vice Principal Sir. And I would like to request Sir to please begin the program, Sir, please.
Yes, thank you, Netrika. Good morning, my dear young friends. So our teachers, they have taken a lot of effort to conduct the CC activity. The last time, few activities was conducted, we came to know that. Our vice principal and the CC engineers are very much interested to conduct more activities. You know that why this type of activities are conducting? The decision making and how to present it, communication skill, everything will be improved. That is very, very important. Whatever you learn, everything should be implemented in your daily life. That is very, very important. That's what our teachers in this COVID situation, they have taken a lot of pain and risk to come to school and conduct these activities. The morning session power was not there. You are lucky enough, the power came and we are going to conduct it. And thanks to the committee and especially the vice principal, you have taken a lot of pain to organize these activities from the last 2 days. And the honorable judges are here to judge your comments about the particular topics. Accordingly, they'll award it. So, dear children, you have to develop your personality. That is very, very important. And you can do many deeds, but without communication skill, what is the meaning? You cannot express everything. That's what these things improve your communication skills and your decision, your points about the particular topic can be informed to other people. That is very, very important. So, again, the beginning morning also I told the people, in the COVID situation, you are in the home, teachers are taking a lot of pain compared to the normal teaching. Our teachers suffering a lot, prepared well and teaching very well. Whenever I observing, they are doing wonderful job compared to the other schools. So Rawat Bhatta is the #1 in the online teaching compared to other centers. So congratulations to my teachers and you people also enjoying very well. So all the best, all the participants. Participation is very, very important. Okay, that is sufficient. I don't want to bore you. Thank you, Netrika, and hand over the mic to Netrika to conduct it.
Thank you, sir. I would also like to request Vice Principal, sir, to please guide a little bit. Vice Principal, sir, Shukla, sir, please.
Hello, everyone. Greetings of the day. And I'm happy to see right now 13 participants are there in this meeting for 9th and 10th. And I think participants were a little more. Some people couldn't join, I think, due to various reasons, maybe. But it is first CC event of the session. Wish you all the best. English elocution. And hoping to conduct more such sessions, more such events, maybe through online mode. God knows, maybe offline also, school also may reopen, don't know. But we shall continue our academics, we shall continue our co-curricular activities, and certainly our learning should continue. So hoping for the best to everyone. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Well, definitely, sir, we are going to do wonders under your able guidance. The CC activity also, बच्चों ये जो हमने plan कर पाए हैं पूरा online जो हम plan कर पाए हैं, जो हम कर पा रहे हैं, इस पूरे के पीछे backbone of course is Vice Principal Sir Shukla sir, of course under the able guidance of John sir. So now here we begin. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. So the first participant from 10th A, Garima. Garima has joined us. Garima, keep the camera on, bacha. हाँ बेटा, गरिमा पहला नंबर आपका ही है बेटे. Okay. And the moment I said start, you're supposed to start and you're supposed to wind up in 2 minutes of time, bache.
Okay.
Ready, Garima? Ready, beta? Yeah. Camera on karo, rakho bachcha. Garima? Yeah. No, she's there. She's there. Actually, I don't know why she was hesitating it. Garima? Bete? She left? Okay, we'll... Jayashri? No, she's not there. Manali?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah, beta, you are quite well audible. So we begin with you. Ready, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start.
Respected judges, juries, teachers, and my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. Today, I, Manali of class 10th, here to present my views on the topic lesson taught from COVID-19. We all are facing some difficulties in our everyday life, and we all are thinking that we have lost something. But we have not lost something, but we have gained something new. COVID-19 has taught us how to fight in different situations and how to deal with tough situations. COVID-19 has taught us several lessons like first, we have to reset our relationship with nature. We have to reset our relationship with nature. We can't live longer if there is such a ruthless exploitation of nature, and we should stop our greed towards the nature. Less pollution of air and water leads the country pollution of pollution of air and water leads the country into a dangerous brink. Second is Vasudev Kutumbakam. The word itself is suggesting that Earth is just like our family. Or it has given a best example in this COVID-19 situation. The all worlds have joined their hands together to fight with COVID-19. The third is we want to reconstruct the India. At least 3% of GDP should be available for education and medical facilities. And the cooperative feudalism is rather more than better than cooperative feudalism. Fourth is the topic is the time spent with family is priceless, and we should spend more time with our family. So at last I want to say, stay home, don't panic, beat the pandemic. Thank you and have a nice day.
Completed?
Yes.
Are you done, Manali? Okay,
ma'am.
okay, good. That was a good beginning. थोड़ा सा बच्चे नेक्स्ट टाइम जो बालक हमारे और पार्टिसिपेट करने वाले में ध्यान रख लेंगे कि अपने आप को थोड़ा सा कैमरे से पीछे रखेंगे, है ना, जैसे कंप्लीट, हाँ कंप्लीट व्यू आ रहा है. एंड हियर आर अ फ्यू मोर इंस्ट्रक्शंस सर वांट्स टू गिव.
No, I just want to say that most of the people are sitting with proper view, perfect they are looking. The last participant, Manali, is I think thoda sa distance, if it is bit more, it could have been even better. Now she has made it better, Manali. No issue. By doing only we will learn. So next participants can take care of this, right? Go ahead. Yes, ma'am.
So after Manali Soni, the next participant is Pragati. Pragati, you're ready, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah, bacha, you are audible. So please start.
Good morning, everyone. I am Pragati Tripathi from class 10th A. Now, being a science student, it is my responsibility to find positivity in negativity. I am going to do the same here and express my views on the topic lessons COVID-19 pandemic taught me. Now, starting with my first point, coronavirus has brought a lot of death and illness. It also grabbed our freedom. It shut down schools, closed markets, but it also reminded us to be grateful for what we have. It separated and created a social distance, but also we grew closer. We are now catching up with our friends and families. It showed us how much digitalization is important for us. As this honorable competition is also going on a digital platform, we should have sufficient knowledge and technology in this field. While lockdown occurred, nature is replenishing. COVID confirmed us that it's humans and its activities that have been killing our planet day by day. I want to just thank COVID for bringing us and our loved ones together and also reminding us that the fight for one is the fight for all. Putting aside our differences, we will surely get through this as a stronger and a better world for all. It also made us realize us that how much cleanliness is important in our life. Now, as a conclusion, COVID is just like one of those bad chapters in everyone's life, but we should learn something from that too. Thank you everyone for giving your precious time and listening to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good. Very good, Pragati. And the next participant we have is Vinisha. Vinisha, we have with us. Yeah. Vinisha, you are the next participant, dear. You ready? Vinisha,
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Can you
Okay.
hear me?
Yeah. We can very well hear you. So here you go. Start.
Good morning, everyone. I am Vinisha Agarwal from class 10th A, standing here in front of you all to dedicate a speech on the lesson that coronavirus taught me. During this past year, the COVID-19 pandemic has turned our life upside down and changed not just the way we live and work, but also the way we behave and think. Everywhere in the world is affected, and everyone's aspects of life is impacted any and our everyday routine is our everyday routine is being brought to a stop, and any sense of normalcy was lost. While we stop and look around the world around us, we will feel that we will feel that we will feel that we will feel that there are some life lessons to take away from this pandemic. First, the world is interconnected. Despite the differences and distances between the places, we are battling the same virus and having the same struggle. It is a reminder of just our world economy and society are interconnected and our levels including and on many levels, including supply chain, communication, technology, and travels. Secondly, I learned that the humans are social interconnect. Humans are social creatures, and we need human interactions to remove the spread of virus. To remove the spread of virus, including physical distancing, quarantine, stay at home order, promoted social isolation and loneliness. This pandemic has made me realize that how much I miss my schools and friends. Third, I learned that humans are adaptive and life is more flexible than we think. Than we think. Than we think. Humans are adaptive and life is more flexible than we think. That many people lost their jobs and were forced to will find different creative ways to pay the bills, and see how we became flexible and creative in this phase of uncertainty. Fourth, I learned that Fourth, I learned that life is precious. Be grateful what we have, for what we have now. At last, I want to conclude my speech with a priceless thought that good times become good memories, and bad times become good lessons. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. It was really good. And of course, the ending was absolutely very fine.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
of course, these many lessons definitely we have learned. All of us are learning till date. And next
Yes, ma'am.
participant is Atharva. Atharva. Yeah. Atharva, you ready? Are you ready, kid? Atharva. Yeah. Mike, please turn on your mic. You are at the mute position right now, right? Unmute yourself, Atharva. Atharva, please unmute yourself. We can't hear you. You may rejoin. That may be the problem. Please rejoin again. Join the link again, bacha. We cannot hear you. Atharva. By the time Nandini is not there, Shabnam is also not there. Suruchi. Yeah. Suruchi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, beta. You are the next participant. Are you ready, kid?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's begin now. Start.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Shiruchi Sharma of class 10th B. I am here to present my views on the topic, the lessons taught by this COVID pandemic. There is an old saying, there is no rainbow without rain. I have been thinking a lot, what is it that will come out of all this? Equality? This situation has shown us that we are all same regardless of our religion, culture, customs, whether we are rich or poor. The virus simply doesn't choose. It connected us in a way. It showed us that we should all stick together. During this course, while many of us in a panic, it showed us the weight of humanity. It reminded us who we are. Maybe the world will finally change. There is an old saying, there is good in every evil, that I will now use as a tiny consolation in this difficult and unexpected time. As a young teenager, believe me, it is hard dealing with this situation. And to everyone who is listening this and feeling helpless, I just want to tell you that you are not alone and it will be better. I am aware of everything that has been taken away from us due to this situation of all unrealized plans, be it birthday, travels, and weddings, and many more. But sadly, we cannot do anything about it. But we are not powerless. On the contrary, it is all of us together that can make the world a better place. If each of us respect the measures imposed by the authorities, the situation will get better and it will pass much faster than expected. One of the most important things I have learned while we were in isolation is to take care of myself and to devote more time to myself. It taught me to love, to listen, to care, to respect, and to help. Help someone to teach something, help someone by having a conversation with them. We learn how to live every day. We choose the path we will take. We learn every day and we will continue learning every day. We just need to remember one thing, everything doesn't have to be perfect in life for us to be happy. We just need to be grateful. We need to remember that the best life lesson is learned during hard times or when we made mistakes. Thank you.
Good. Really good. And that kid has joined again. Yeah. Atharv, you still are in mute mode, beta. 1 minute. Ma'am would definitely would like to guide you. Suchita ma'am will guide you in that regard. You may be having some problem.
There should be a join audio option on your screen in the bottom. Join audio. Click on that. There should be an audio button.
Okay, dear. Go ahead, do it. And by the time we are listening to other participants, no problem. You'll be doing it in a short while. Don't worry. Okay. Do it. By the time we listen to other participants, we move ahead with the next one. Utkarsh is not there. And Parth. Yeah, the next participant is
Ma'am, am
Parth.
I audible?
Parth. Yeah, I think he also
Ma'am,
needs to.
am I audible?
Yeah, you are quite audible, but try to keep, you are doing it with phone. Yeah. So keep it at the landscape mode,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Landscape mode, the horizontal one. आपके कैमरे को हाँ बच्चा, now it's good. It's good. Ready, Parth? Can we start off?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We can't see you. Camera. Yeah, now we are good to go. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I, Parthraj Nibhoria of class 10th B, is present here to tell you, to present my views on the topic, what COVID pandemic taught me. The year we have learned some tough lessons in the year 2020 and 21. The invisible virus has demolished the illusion. The
Camera
human is
on.
the master. Ma'am,
Camera.
my camera is on.
We can't see you, kid. Yeah. Go ahead, go ahead. Now we can see you.
In the year 2020 and 21, the COVID pandemic has taught us. The COVID pandemic has taught us. We have learned some tough lessons in the year 2020 and 21. The
Parth, we
invisible
cannot see
virus
you,
has
beta.
demolished.
We cannot see you. Sorry to say, but we can't see you, beta. Yeah, now it's keep your mobile in one position. Okay, it may be happening because by accident, I think you are touching the camera button time and again. So it's we are not able to see you in the middle. Yeah, again, it happened.
No, ma'am, my camera is on.
Just leave it that way and start off. We are starting your time from now. Okay. Ready?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Start.
We have learned some tough lessons in the year 2020 and 21. The invisible virus has taught us. The invisible virus has demolished the illusion that human is the master of nature. I believe it is still not too late for us. I believe it is still not too late for us to demolish. Still.
He'll be, no. We'll give him another chance. There was some network issue, I think. Anamika is there? We have Anamika. Yeah. Anamika, bacha, keep your camera on, beta. Yeah. Anamika is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we begin, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are good to go now. Start.
Ma'am, I am audible.
Yeah, you are very well audible. Start off, please.
Good morning, good afternoon to everyone. My name is Anamika Raghav. I study in class 9th. Today I prepared an English allocation on topic lessons the COVID-19 pandemic has taught us. The COVID-19 pandemic has taught Indians several painful lessons. The first is that we can no longer continue with the ruthless exploitation of nature. The climate crisis, erratic weather phenomena, pollution of air, land, and ocean have pushed the country and the world to a dangerous brink. Unless this is reversed immediately, we are in for serious trouble by the end of the country. It is the extraordinary that the lockdown period has led to nature regenerating. We saw blue skies after many decades. Pollution levels dropped and several species of animals, birds, and insects staged a comeback.
Anamika,
We must
Anamika, 1 minute. थोड़ा बेटा आपका voice clear नहीं है. Maybe I think if you use your headphones and all, that will be better, I think. But you're not audible clearly, beta. Your matter seems to be good, but we can't hear you.
Ma'am, now I am audible.
Ultra clear, ultra clear. So here we begin again. Okay, start.
Okay, ma'am. The second lesson is that India needs a drastic restructuring of its development plans, which involves allocating at least 3% of gross domestic product GDP each to health and education. If the country does not strengthen these factors, all plans of becoming a world-class power are doomed to fail. It has been a national failure that we have not done so since independence. It is also clear that in a vast federal country such as India, crises like this demands close cooperation between the center and the states, regardless of which political party is in power. Health is a state
Kid, are you
subject.
reading from the screen?
No,
Are
ma'am.
are you reading from the screen?
No, ma'am. I can learn it.
Yeah, you can very well learn it, but it feels so because you are looking at the screen in such a way, you're not looking, your eyes are not at the camera.
Am I fixed in a landscape mode?
Actually, we can see that screen in your specs, some matter is written. Yeah. Is it so? Are you reading and speaking?
Ma'am,
Are you reading your script?
no, ma'am.
You have learned it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I continue.
Would you do me a favor, Bita?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a small thing. For next 2 minutes, can you keep your eyes closed and start right from the beginning? That means we want to hear you. Keep your eyes closed. We may have, we see teachers are always like that only. We have a doubt that you are reading from the screen. Some of the judges also felt so. So I am stopping you in the middle. It's a request from my side. Please, can you do that? Begin it right from the beginning, keeping your eyes closed. You complete your speech. Can you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, please. Good to go. Please keep your eyes closed and right from beginning, bacha. Right from beginning. Very good. I know you can learn. I have taught you. I know you can do it. Yeah. But if there is even a small piece of doubt, let's clear it. Okay. So right from beginning of your speech, no, don't be nervous about it. Don't be cautious about it. You are a good kid of my class. I know I've taught you. I have full faith in you. But let's clear the doubt if there is even 1%, right? So right from beginning, keeping the eyes closed. Shall we?
Okay.
Yeah.
ma'am.
So here we
Yeah.
go, my good girl. Right from beginning, start.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Anamika Raghav of class 9A, standing before you to present a view the lessons the COVID-19 pandemic has taught us. The COVID-19 pandemic has taught Indians several painful lessons. The first is that we can no longer continue the ruthless exploitation of nature. The climate crisis, erratic weather phenomena pushed the country and the world to a dangerous brink unless this is reversed immediately. We are in for serious by the end of the country. The second lesson is that India needs a drastic restructuring of its developmental plans, which involves clothing, at least 3% of gross domestic product GDP each to health and education. If the does not strengthen these sectors, all plans
Very good. Very good. Continue.
all plans of becoming a world and a class power are doomed to fail. It has
Shabash.
been a national failure that we have not done since independence. Finally, the virus has taught us the benefits of silence and solitude so that we can look into ourselves and explore the deeper recenses of our consciousness. We are so involved in superessential activities that we seldom get time to. It's our inner consciousness that will express itself, our actions and relationships. If we can find deep within ourselves the divine light that is the care of our beings, this will uplift not only each individual but society at large. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good. Very good. It was really good and the matter was also excellent. Okay. So let's move ahead now. We have Anshuman.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible?
Anshuman is audible. Let me check once for Atharv also. Atharv, try to speak something, kid.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you are also very well audible. So I should ask the judges whether to take up Atharv or Anshuman. We'll take Atharv now. Okay. After Atharv, we'll take you Anshuman. Okay, bacha? So here we take up Atharv. Ready?
Yes, ma'am. Can I start?
Yeah, we can very well start. Good to go. Start.